So over the summer, I had an opportunity to work as an intern at SSC Engineering.
Our firm sponsors partners in education students to come out and learn more about engineering fields.
What I did over the summer was work with the plumbing, electrical, mechanical, and structural engineering for certain facilities that were being built, and it was my job to plan how each of these specialties would go throughout the facility and kind of map out how each component should go. And I really did enjoy it. It was a great opportunity for me, and it kind of opened my eyes to something that I might be able to do in the future.
You know, he was always on point. You know, he was on top of where he wanted to be at. He asked a lot of questions. He was always enthusiastic, and you know, for a high school student, had a lot of professionalism that is not as common as one might think. So it was pretty cool. So if he were to come back and we were to sponsor him and continue to do internships, that's going to continue to sort of round him out, make his experience more valuable. And as he picks up the education and the background teachings of why we do what we do, it would definitely someone we would want to have on board because we already know how he is as a person.
I would definitely recommend anyone who has the opportunity to do project interface to do it. Just the people that I met, the experiences that I went through really were fantastic. I had the opportunity to go to a job site and look at a construction site and see how everything I've been doing on the computer, all these systems that I'm designing, how those are being implemented inside of this construction site that's going on right now. And seeing that was very, very cool.